I've been waiting 2 years for this moment, and that's to be able to travel again. Let's go. Every time we come, we're very busy, but is it quieter now?
This time quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet. It
Yes.
seems quieter, yeah.
Not much busy.
So how?
Nice, very nice for you if you want to take a tour or maybe you
Oh,
want
good,
to go
yeah.
somewhere.
So what do you think? Half the people or less?
Less.
Less than half.
Less than half.
So still a long way to go to be back to normal. Right. We just arrived at the Andaz Hotel. Now, I've been to many hotels in my travels, and I must say this one truly stands out. It has this very large room with balcony, a 65-inch TV, even a separate toilet. Now, that's unheard of. What are these? Oh, yeah. So warm. I cannot believe that I'm actually here. After 2 years without travelling, this all feels all surreal to me. I cannot express how happy I am to be here in Bali right now. We later enjoyed beachfront dining, which was spectacular watching this full moon reflecting over the sea. This is the Fisherman's Club restaurant. We selected their signature dish, fisherman's seafood platter, with a side of dirty potatoes.
Dirty potato.
And wok fried vegetables.
For the wok fried vegetables.
Thank you very
My
much.
pleasure. Have a enjoy, please.
Thank you. Don't you love early mornings? And breakfast is my favourite part of the day. Today I'm having poached egg on smashed avocado. Now for service, just whack the bamboo. When you come to Sanur, you have to ride a bike on this track. You'll find shops, restaurants, people, there's so much to see. Today, we're moving to another location. Yes, it's so sad to leave this place, but at the same time, it's exciting to move on. 5-room, 13-14, and now we're going to an exciting villa. Now, before we do that, let's just go back nearly 5 years ago to this other amazing villa called Villa Zelli. We met a young boy called Tapa, one of the staff members who looked after us so well. We since kept in contact using Instagram. Tapa is now a married man with a child. When he heard we were coming back to Bali, he kindly offered to be our driver.
Tapa!
5 years later, the friendship continues. Our next destination is to an Airbnb we booked, a villa called Dancing Orchid.
Not easy to find.
Glad you were driving us.
Now this place is tucked away at the end of a lane which pleasantly surprises you once you see it. It's truly a hidden gem. Hello. Yes. Yeah. You find a beautiful villa with a great sized bedroom, a kitchenette, and a beautiful modern bathroom. Positioned alongside a river, overlooking a tropical jungle lush garden. It's a great location because if you're travelling to Ubud, it only takes a few minutes by either car or scooter to get to the city. It's a perfect place to listen to the sounds of nature and maybe to meditate. A quick stroll from the villa and you'll find a street lined with many shops specialising in woodcraft. And if you like wood ducks, then this is the shop for you. So many wood ducks. Next destination is an eco-friendly bamboo house positioned amongst rice fields. Can't wait to see it. We're here. Okay. This must be the cutest hut I've ever seen. Downstairs you'll find the lounge, breakfast, dining area. And right through here is the semi-outdoor bathroom. I love the ingenuity. There's of course a toilet, and how is this for an outdoor shower? It's surrounded with plants. You shower with the plants. And if you prefer a bath, there's one that's completely outdoors with nature. Now upstairs is the bedroom. Have a look how high the ceiling is. There's a relaxing balcony with a view over the rice paddies. All right, now I'm starving, let's get some dinner. Tonight we're going to the local night market. This market just outside Ubud is as authentic as it gets. You'll hardly see any tourists here. So if you have a couple of dollars, you can find anything here, from babi guling, the suckling pig, satay, stir fries, meatball soups. I even found deep fried bananas, which only cost 10 cents each. If you're adventurous enough, there's interesting and unusual foods to try. Tonight, we're having mie ayam, which means chicken noodles. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice and hot, looks good. Now don't miss the next vlog where we stay in this huge, incredible villa. You've got to see it. Don't go away. Click the next one.